Let's look at how you can make changes in already executed manufacturing accounting. For example, in this first manufacturing execution record, here in the list of materials, manufacturing overhead and salary, we have only materials, unlike those other records where we have manufacturing overhead and salary as well. So we need to add those items here, but it will try to change some information, correct any of those fields, or add new record. We will get the message which will notify that execution is done, and in order to make changes in this manufacturing process, we should cancel this execution at first. There is a button cancel execution at the right top of this screen. By using this button, we can delete executed entries. In this case, we have entries where only materials are written off. Let's cancel this manufacturing execution. And now we can make any changes in this managerial operation. I will add manufacturing overhead and salary here. And I will execute manufacturing again. And if we look at those entries now, we will see that along with the raw materials, there are salary and indirect materials cost as well. Now let's consider another type of changes. Suppose when materials have been received, we made a mistake and entered the prime cost of these materials which are used in this manufacturing process incorrectly. So we need to correct the prime costs in accept operation. But before we do that, let's look at prime costs of these written off materials. As you can see here, a total prime cost is 2 lari 20 tetri. Now let's move to the accept operation in the menu managerial accounting. Update this operation where the mistake has been made and correct it. For example, let's add 18% VAT rate to the prices of these materials. So their prime cost will be changed. Now we need to create entries again. There are newly created entries here. Close, save. Now the prime cost of each of those materials will be different, and when they will be written off, manufacturing execution entries will change as well. Let's recalculate manufacturing again. There is no need to cancel manufacturing for this function. We can execute manufacturing for all of these final products which contain materials changed recently. Let's calculate for the selected records. As you may remember, in this first record, before changes have been made, the total prime cost was 2 lari 20 tetri, but now it's 191.